Your Mac keeps dropping the Wi Fi connection. It reconnects on its own or it does not. But either way, it's interrupting your work. Here is how to find the cause and fix it properly. Before changing anything on your Mac, restart your router. Unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Give it a minute to fully come back online. Then connect your Mac again. A lot of Wi Fi disconnection issues are actually router problems, not Mac problems. This one step fixes it more often than you had expected. If the router restart did not help, let's look at your Mac's network settings. Go to System Settings, then Wi-Fi. Click the Details button next to your network and then click Forget this network. Confirm, then reconnect by clicking the network name and entering your Wi-Fi password again. This creates a fresh connection and clears any corrupted saved network data. Now let's try resetting your Mac's stored network preferences, which can sometimes get corrupted. Open Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G and go to slash library slash preferences slash system configuration. In that folder, move these files to the trash. com.apple.network.identification.plist and com.apple.wifi.message-tracer.plist, network interfaces.plist, and preferences.plist. Don't empty the trash. In that folder, move these files to trash. Network interfaces.plist and preferences.plist. Don't empty the trash yet in case you need to restore them. Restart your Mac. macOS recreates these files fresh on startup. Your DNS settings can also cause intermittent disconnections. Change your DNS servers. Go to System Settings, then Wi-Fi, then Details next to your network, then DNS. Click the plus button and add a public DNS server. Google's is 8.8.8.8 and Cloudflare's is 1.1.1.1. These are faster and more stable than many ISP provided DNS servers and can resolve connection drops caused by DNS timeouts. One more thing worth checking on a MacBook specifically, macOS sometimes puts the Wi-Fi adapter into a low power state to save battery, which can cause brief disconnections. Go to System Settings, then Battery, then Options. Look for Enable Power Nap or similar settings and consider adjusting them. Also check if the disconnections only happen when on battery versus plugged in. That pattern points directly to power saving as the cause. Start with the router restart and the forget network steps. They fix the majority of cases. Subscribe for more Mac fixes.